In primetime news this evening, exam standoff. Regional education officials demand answers from CXC on exam results. CXC says issues are being exaggerated. Legal action. Regional schools threaten to take CXC office to court because of controversial exam grades. And out of work. Another group losing income as online schooling means no customers.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on the recent CXC examination results?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.